So today is June 21, and in this video I really don't know what to share, but I've tracked my my weekly consumption of social media, and it started from, so this was 6 days at the end of June 21. I mean June 20. So I track my hours that I spend on social media, on digital entertainment for 6 days. So in 6 days at the end of June 20, I've spent 10 hours and 2 minutes plus in social media, in digital entertainment. Oh, and I might think, if this 10 hours plus, if I could just spend this on if I spend this 10 hours on an action that brings me closer to the goal that I really want to achieve, how will it look like? So it was really a great waste of time, and my goal for this week is to only spend 100 hours. My goal is to spend 100 minutes a week. So it will be like 1 hours and 40 minutes. 1 hours and 40 minutes in a week. So I think that's it. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all.